Hello friends, welcome to all in a Sushrut Raizade official channel. In this video, we are going to learn the cogeneration of the plant. It is also called as a CHP, that is combined heat and power plant. Cogeneration plants recovers the waste heat that is otherwise discarded from the conventional power generation to produce the thermal energy. What does conventional power plant? The heat is used to boil the water in the boiler and make the steam. That steam drives the turbine. The turbine drives a generator and the generator makes the electricity. The trouble with this is that energy is wasted in every step of process, sometimes quite spectacularly. For example, the water that's boiled into steam to drive the steam turbine has to be cooled back down using a giant condenser or cooling towers in the open air, wasting a huge amount of energy, much of which literally disappears into the thin air. Okay, so for this purpose, the cogeneration is used. Means utilization of remaining heat which is called as a process heat is used for the cogeneration. The process heat is used for the cogeneration. Now, what is the work of process heat, or what is process heat actually? The remaining heat, that means remaining heat which is coming from the turbine. In a conventional power plant, the steam is extracted, is passed towards the condenser, and that condensed steam, that is water, is again passed towards the boiler. But in the condenser and boiler, in between that, the regenerators are used. That regenerators means which are used to regenerate the water which is provided to the boiler. That means the water is heated with the help of a regenerator which are provided to the boiler. That are the regenerators. And what are cogeneration? What is cogeneration? Means the process heat is used to produce a process work. Process work means here you can see the process work is developed using a process heat. That means the heat is extracted from the turbine. The steam is extracted from here, and here also. But according to the application, what is the application? The process work means where it is used. It is used in a chemical industries, in a paper industries, then steel industry, pulp industry, then oil industry, textile industry. In these industries, the steam is required, and that or heat is required for these industries. Therefore, the heat is produced with the help of this extracted steam or process heat. That process heat, according to the application, is produced from the turbine or extracted from the turbine. Now the steam is expanded from this point to this point. That means in the turbine the pressure expands from the high pressure to the low pressure. Therefore, according to the application, the steam is extracted, and that steam is used, or that extracted steam is used for the process work. That means it produces a process heat, and that is used for these different applications. And again, that saturated steam, that means saturated water which is coming from the process work, is again mixed towards the water which is coming from the condenser, and here the pump is used to increase the pressure up to the pressure of saturation water which is coming from the process work, and then that water is again provided to the boiler with the help of a high pressure pump. Okay, here you can see if we extract the steam at a m dot, and the remaining heat, that is 1 minus m dot, is passes toward the condenser, means the some amount of steam or heat extracted from the turbine, the steam which is extracted from the turbine is provided to the process work, and the remaining is provided to the condenser. Okay, that is called as a cogeneration plant, means the steam, extracted steam is used for the particular work, particular process work, for particular applications, that is cogeneration plant. Okay, the regenerators are different and cogenerations are different. Regenerators are used to heat up the water which is provided to the boiler, and cogeneration means the heat which heat from the steam which is extracted from the turbine is used to produce the process work. Okay, that is the cogeneration. This is what the cogeneration plant. Thank you.